Friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to hyperlink email address in Word. Okay, so if you are using Microsoft Word and now you want to hyperlink your email address, so how to do it? So first what you have to do, first you have to type your email address. Okay, type your email address, okay, like this. And then what you have to do, you have to select your email address. Okay, then here you will see insert option. If you are at home, you have to just click on insert option, and then here you will see link option. Just click on link, then click on again link, and here you will see three options: web page or file, this documents, and email address. So now you have to just click on email address. Now you have to enter your email address again here. Okay, then you can also add subject and recently used email address also you can add here, and then click on OK. So like this you can add hyperlink email address in your Word. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.